Today we're gonna make a loaded bagel, but we're gonna make it a twist. We're gonna make it in an everything seasoning bread cone. For our everything bagel seasoning, look at this cone. This is delicious. Everybody is all the craze over the everything bagel seasoning. You can get it in the store, but we've created it on this cone and it's so delicious. So we have the big cone and the small cone. And I personally sell these in our grab and go at one of my cafes and they sell amazingly. So I'm gonna show you a couple recipes for today. One is going to be the most popular in the US, cream cheese, smoked salmon, dill, caper, and cucumber. Everybody loves the loaded bagel, so why not put it into a cone? So I'm gonna do a small one for you. So if you had a party at home, or if you're doing catering, which would be perfect for this, you can do these in the small cones and put them on a nice display for a lovely brunch, and it would be delicious. So you could take cream cheese, we're gonna put that right down on the side of the cone, just like you would do on a bagel. Put a good amount of cream cheese in there. And next we're gonna put our smoked salmon. So I'm gonna take little smoked salmon and roll it just like I've done for all the cone recipes. It's awesome when you roll the salmon because then you can get it all the way down to the bottom of the cone. There we go. We're gonna take our cucumber slices, put that in there. We're gonna put a little capers and some fresh dill. I'm just gonna cut this here. So if you had a grab and go store, or again, like you wanted to do this on a brunch buffet, look at that. Amazing. So cute. So if you were gonna do a larger one, you can also do that too. I'm gonna leave that one there. So for the larger cone, I'm gonna put this, fill it with cream cheese. I love the idea of doing this for grab and go. So it's easy. You can get these ready ahead of time. They last long. They're durable for you to actually put them together. And then also, it's great because if somebody's eating this on the go, it's perfect, no waste. So I'm gonna put that there. Put a little bit more smoked salmon in that. Do you see this? For the larger cone, I'm actually gonna put a little bit of sliced tomato because I have a little bit more room. Slide that in there. Cucumber. Cucumber is easy. Again, these cones are durable, so you can really look. I'm pushing all the way down and I'm not breaking the cone, which is so great because then it's easy for you guys to fill them. Capers, and again, more fresh dill. Delicious. Who want to bite into this?